I cleaned my kitchen. I did like 3 dishwasher loads worth of dishes today. Cleaned my bathroom. And then next I was supposed to be tackling some laundry, but it's too nice outside, y'all. So when I'm done eating, I'm gonna gather me and my troops up, and we out. Anything seafood, except for scallops. I'm not a big scallop fan, and I'm not a big mussel fan, but I do like fried calamari, which is squid. I love fried calamari, and I love shrimps, rocktail lobster, Maine lobster, crab legs, which is snow, that is, because I don't like king crab, really. King crab is just too much meat for me. I think I was mean. I'm gonna call and apologize in a minute. She fire. And I'm just getting the hang of this YouTube, video, and like doing videos, talking in front of the camera and talking in front of a camera, because I wasn't and haven't been used to talking just in front of a camera. But now I'm trying to get the hang of it. and Facebook. I don't really do Twitter like that. I don't know how to work Twitter. I don't. Another YouTuber that I watch is Sharika B, or I Am Sharika, I think is her YouTube name. Shout out to her. I started watching her since she started her channel, and she has flourished, and I'm happy for her and wish her all the best and success with the YouTube. Another YouTuber that I watch is B Loves Life. I'm sure everybody know who B Loves Life is because she is the guru of seafood boils. So I watch her. I watch Queen Naija and Clarence NYC. That's another one of my favorite YouTubers, and her ex-husband, Chris Sales. Big thumbs up to you, Chris. I mean, everybody ain't perfect, my nigga. Everybody make their mistakes and do what they do, but I try not to judge. So I still watch Chris. And I do watch DDG family. I'm just trying to think of who I actually like watch on a daily, or whenever they upload and post, I'm like right on their videos. So that's what I can't wait for my channel to be like. Damn man, Kia just posted. Let me click on her video and see what she talking about. You know what I'm saying? I can't wait till I get to that status. I can't wait till I get to 500K, 100K, 3,200K views and subscribers. Like, starting off small, but eventually I'm gonna get there. Like I said, I was supposed to be doing this last year, and if I would have started this last year, I probably would be in the K's right now with my subscribers and my views. But going through shit, dealing with shit, putting up with certain shit that was unhealthy and toxic for me. So yeah, I love Prissy P just because she's so, I mean, you know, I love her because she's so confident. And not only because she's confident in who she is and in her own skin and all of that, she is inspiring. Some bossed up ass shit. She a boss in her own right. Get all that meat off the crab. And yeah, I crack my crabs with my teeth. I don't need some fancy nutcracker object to crack my crabs. Just crack it with my teeth. I'm gonna say about 2 people in the past year come from my neck, y'all. I'm talking about coming from my neck about why I shouldn't eat seafood. It's the cockroaches of the ocean, and it's in the Bible. You shouldn't eat crab, and you know, trying to tell me what I should eat and what I shouldn't eat. It's crazy. And then I just had this conversation, like I was going back and forth, because I posted one of my seafood boils in this food group on Facebook. And I just would not let go about why I shouldn't be eating seafood. And it's like, who are you to judge me on what I put in my body? If you don't eat seafood or the crustaceans of the earth, that's your business. Okay? But don't come on my page or on my video or on my YouTube trying to tell me what I should and shouldn't be eating. That right there, I will have a suit. He was coming strong with it, like, you shouldn't be doing this, and you're an insect eater, and I mean, he was trying to name call and everything. You eating insects, and you're gonna be cast to hell because you're eating seafood. You can have your damn opinion about what the fuck somebody doing or eating, you know what I'm saying? But for you to just try to tear down a person or look down upon the person like you better than them because you don't eat seafood or you don't eat shrimps or whatever, what have you, that's when you're taking shit to another level. Flavor. But anyways, y'all, make sure you comment, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified for when the next time I drop me another video of doing whatever. It could be cooking, it could be vlogging, it could be shopping, it could be mukbangs, it could be cooking with kids. I mean, I got so much in store and so many creative ideas going on in my head that y'all just gonna have to stay tuned. I don't want to tell too much. I just want y'all to watch and stay tuned. Other than that, I hope that's not a delivery call. Somebody trying to order some food and want me to deliver. I'm not about to deliver no food. I'm about to go enjoy the weather.